Alright everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Yes, it is 8 o'clock at night, and that is because it took me 2.5 hours to get home from work at 5 p.m. Anyways, starting out the day at work, went ahead and cut these last couple wires. Got those tucked up into their correct positions, and got the purple pull string tied off. Anyways, moving on, the rest of the day, went ahead and got this red line right here from the general, and that is the baseline or the benchmark that people call it, for everything in this room. So basically transfer that line over to another wall, shoot a laser, and then from there we take our measurements so everything is lined up, because the floors could be crooked or whatnot from one side of the building to the other, because it's concrete and concrete is never really level. Anyways, you got some lines transferred over, and basically we're working on hanging boxes all day. So we had to transfer several different lines to several different walls, transfer things multiple times. So we got these boxes hung right here. As you remember, we got this flex back in the wall a week or two ago. Anyways, went ahead and mounted 3 boxes here, 3 boxes there, and another 3 boxes to the right, and another box to the right, right there. And this is going to be like a future desk kind of reception thing. So at first we were kind of just getting everything dialed in. Had to wait like 3 hours to get the that red line right there that the general came up with. So I had to wait for that. So we were doing some other things in the meantime. But anyways, moving on from there, we got the boxes mounted. Basically just set the laser up at 18 inches for the center of the spreader bars, and then we went ahead and mounted the laser up a couple more inches to get to the top of the box, but later realizing we didn't really have to go that extreme. So anyways, these boxes right here took a lot quicker because we didn't have to shoot the top of the box or anything like that at 20 inches. We just went ahead with 18. So anyways, that took a long time today, but it was all good. And these are my burgers from today. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Sorry for the late upload, but circumstances threw me otherwise, and I've just been watching some YouTube videos. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you guys back in the next one, which will not be tomorrow unless I come up with something, because it's a snow day. Like I said, it took me 2.5 hours to get home. So I will not be working tomorrow because we are snowed in, and my car is a piece of junk and will not handle that, and I don't want to crash it. So anyways, see you guys in the next upload, which could be Friday, unless I make a video tomorrow, or back on maybe Monday or next week sometime, whenever the chance occurs that I'm back at work or making a video. Thanks guys, see ya, peace.